The Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing offers continuing education and training of your existing employees. We have a training facility here that is at the cutting edge of what industry uses. All our technologies are single-use, ready-to-use technology. You can put together a process and within a few days dismantle that process and get it ready for the next molecule that you have to make. And that changeover is very quick with flexible systems. GB is nimble and responsive to the needs of industry. Talking with our clients allows us to customize the courses that we have in a way that answers their questions.
I chose Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing due to its resources, being a part of Thomas Jefferson University, as well as the facility that is provided in this institution has tremendous potential in training the next generation of bioprocessing engineers and scientists. In class, we have the opportunities to work with each unit operation that is present within the entire process of the monoclonal antibody platform. Using the single-use technologies, we have the opportunity to work with shake flasks, to wave bags, to bioreactors, and from there we also have the chance to work with depth filters for harvesting, columns for purification and polishing, as well as ultrafiltration and downfiltration for buffer exchange and concentration.
Jefferson has new technologies that are actually being used in the industry right now. And coming here at Jefferson gives me the opportunity to have hands-on experience on all of them, all of the unit operations. So it's easier for me to transition into the real world industry and perform better.
Coming from a biotechnology background degree in undergrad, I really wanted to see how I would be able to implement the knowledge I learned in undergrad into the industry. And when I found out about this program, it really brought together a lot of the basic understanding I had of biology and biologics, and I was able to put that into industry perspective. And being in this program really gives me a big picture of what the biopharmaceutical industry is like. You really dive into each of the unit operations and learn the details and the concepts behind it, and we are able to bring that concept into the lab and actually perform several experiments on the topics that we discussed in class.
What I want is 20 JIBs. I want 20 Jefferson Institutes of Bioprocessing across all fields, across all industries. I want it to be in this area, I want it to be national, I want it to be international, I want our students to work in real-life settings that set them up to be really, really successful in the future.
The excitement of working on molecules, on drugs and medicines, you can't get better than that. Working on a medicine that you know will help a patient. To be able to see a drug out there that you've had something to do with and you know it's helping people is what keeps the excitement alive.